Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're tackling a topic that's both crucial and controversial: how to pass your drug test every time. Whether it's for a job, a legal issue, or any other reason, failing a drug test can have serious consequences. So let's dive into the most effective strategies and the key things you need.
First, let's understand the basics. There are several types of drug tests you might encounter: urine, saliva, hair follicle, and blood tests. Each type has its own way of detecting substances in your system and different detection windows.
Urine tests are the most common and can detect drug use within the past few days to a few weeks. Saliva tests cover a shorter window, usually 24 to 48 hours. Hair follicle tests can trace drug use back up to 90 days, and blood tests are the least common but are very accurate for recent use. Several factors can influence your test results: your metabolism, how much you hydrate, and even your body's sensitivity to certain substances play a big role. Faster metabolism can mean quicker drug elimination, while staying well hydrated can sometimes dilute your sample. Before we go any further, it's important to address the legal and ethical implications. Cheating a drug test can have severe consequences, including legal action and job termination. Not to mention, it's a breach of trust and integrity. Always weigh these risks before attempting any methods.
Presenter. Now, let's get into the methods. There are several approaches people use to try and pass a drug test. Here are the most popular ones. 1. Detox drinks and kits. These are designed to flush out toxins quickly. They usually work best for urine tests. 2. Synthetic urine. A controversial method, but it can be effective if done correctly. Just make sure the temperature is right. 3. Dilution. Methods. Drinking lots of water and taking vitamin B2 to add color to the urine can help, but labs are catching on to this trick. 4. Home remedies and detox protocols. Natural methods like cranberry juice, apple cider vinegar, and rigorous exercise routines are also popular. However, their effectiveness varies greatly.
Tips and tricks.
Please remember, no method is foolproof, and results can vary from person to person.